This is a recipe for ginger garlic shrimp stir fry. This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're doing a special dish. So preheat a wok at medium heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic. Give that a quick stir fry. Rinse and dry 1 pound of shrimp. So I turn the heat on to high now. So this is going to be very quick. Don't overcook the shrimp. All you need is about 2 to 3 minutes to cook the shrimp. Next add the red peppers and the green pepper. I'm going to throw the onions in now. Also the celery. Throw a half teaspoon of sesame oil. So I'm going to hit it with a tablespoon of light soy sauce. A tablespoon of oyster sauce. So it's all done. Now I like to put a little, I'll put a little bit of Himalayan sea salt. So this is a natural salt. So you put maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and that's it. Shut off the heat. There you have it. Easy and simple ginger garlic shrimp stir fry. Enjoy.